and she look good, and her cooking good. You niggas wish they would, you niggas wish they could. She love Megan good, provided like Megan Thee Stallion. She get on top and you know she be wildin'. Grown ass woman, no childish. Got the bag in the drip, she be styling. Pack it back, take a trip to the islands. That pussy good, but don't come with mileage. She not awesome, but yeah, she got powers.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Danny Simone, the real Danny Simone.
Period.
Back with another video. And today we're going to be doing my head to toe skincare routine. Many of you have asked, I am here to deliver, okay? So I'm going to take y'all through what I do step by step, and we're going to hop straight into it. But before we do, if you are a new subscriber, hey girl, hey, and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber or returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. And as always, thank you so much for your continued support. Y'all already know what I need you to do. I need you to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, turn your post notifications on so you don't ever miss an upload or community tab post, because I do post there quite often. And of course, per usual, leave me some comments down in the comment section down below and let me know what other videos y'all want to see from me. And yeah, let's hop straight into it. Alright y'all, so the very first thing I do in my routine is make sure I brush my teeth. That should always be number one before anything else, okay? Make it make sense. I personally use a electric toothbrush, my cute little pink one I got from Amazon, and of course the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste with brush strips. Second, but equally important, I do use a mouthwash every day. And I was actually gifted this mouthwash by a company called Care4 on Amazon. I'm just not a fan of the burning sensation that comes from store-bought mouthwashes like Listerine. So when I read that this brand has the same oral health benefits of Listerine but non-burning and alcohol-free, I was like, oh yeah, let me get a case of those please and thank you. Next, I simply tie my hair up and pull it back out of my face because I do my facial skincare last. And you know, you don't want to get messed up or wet because obviously we got to get in the shower first. I don't want to hear nothing in the comments about me using Dove, talking about it's bad for my skin. I have eczema and I've even tried Aveeno. I kid you not, Dove Sensitive Skin is the only body wash that works and does not irritate me. So I'm going to keep using it. And now it's time to shave these armpits because, baby, I'm looking like a teenage boy going through puberty, growing his first goatee, okay? Struggling.
Bruh.
And if you don't know, now you know. The key to soft skin is a simple exfoliant. I personally love a good Tree Hut brand from Walmart. My personal favorites are the Cocoa Colada, the Coconut Lime, and the Pineapple, which I'm using here. Okay, y'all, so now it's time to get this face right, okay? So the very first thing I do is my lip scrub. I have noticed dark spots on my lips lately, just like developing over the past year or two, and I couldn't figure out what to do about it. I did a lot of research, figured out that lip scrub is probably my best option. I am not a smoker, so I really couldn't tell you where that's coming from. I'm guessing just because I'm getting older, I really don't know. But yeah, the lip scrub seems to be working slowly but surely. But this is homemade. I made it myself from all natural ingredients, and I am slowly noticing results. This is the best lotion, literally hands down. It smells freaking amazing and makes my skin feel so soft after scrubbing down with that Tree Hut exfoliant. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I don't know about y'all, but I gotta take extra precaution with my feet because, baby, as a kid growing up in the mountains, I used to walk around barefoot in everything, all the weather, all the elements. Now my feet is toe up from the flow up, and I'm diabetic, so I got to be more careful. So at this point, I'm almost done for the night, and this is actually the most relaxing part of my routine, in my opinion. I actually use a combination of CeraVe and a tea tree body wash. The combination of the two seem to be working really well for my skin right now. Lastly, guys, since my body is good and moisturized, it's now time to moisturize my face. This here is another product that I made by hand. Nice. It is a rose infused serum, and it smells so freaking good. Oh my gosh. It leaves my skin glowy, dewy, and super soft. And of course, it smells phenomenal. And these products will be for sale very soon, so stay on the lookout for those. Okay, y'all, now that I'm feeling like the absolute queen that I am, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch y'all in the next video.